I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Telegram. Now, to get started, you want to go to Telegram, and then I'm just going to message this bot here. Now, to create a poll, you just want to tap on the file attachment button down here, and then you can see there is a poll option down here. And then on here, just fill in all of these fields, right? So for example, I want to ask, this is a poll. I'm just going to tap, this is a poll. And then on the options, I'm just going to type in yes. And then if you want to add another option, I'm just going to click on add another option. I'm going to type in no. And then you can see there's a couple of other settings here. We can also do, for example, anonymous voting. We can also allow multiple answers if we want. And there's also a quiz mode as well, right? So we can choose which is the correct options or not. So for example, the correct option is obviously yes, right? That is the correct option because it is a poll. It is a poll. And then I'm going to put in another options here as well. I'm going to say maybe. And this is going to be a correct option as well. So for example, like that, right? But I'm just going to keep it as yes. And you can see there is also multiple answer here as well. So you can see you can pick multiple answer. But I'm just going to keep it on quiz mode, or you can just turn it off. Again, it doesn't matter. And then once you're happy, just tap on create. And then that's it. This is a poll. I can vote on it like this. And then that's it. We're done.